Real quick, I do have a correction about this clearly completely fraudulent Donald Trump medical letter. Let me just put that letter up for you real quick. All of our critiques from yesterday are valid, except for it does appear that Dr. Harold Bornstein is part of the gastroenterology department at Lenox Hill Hospital. The image we first looked at was a list of the department's leadership, not the full doctors. So I correct this with peace and love. All of the other critiques remain, but that one thing I do want to correct on the record.